Hostia, hostia, hostia.
Eighteen passengers and the driver of the vehicle were not injured due to immediate response of the firefighters. However, the fact to mandate the closure of the corridor in this case, risk manager until have cleared all the area and mud and wood material washed away by the rain continue to impede passengers through the area. The water level hasn't dropped completely either. Wind, hail and heavy rain caused local flooding and traffic jams. 4 flights that were supposed to land were diverted. There was also a burning burden. The stormy weather from yesterday will continue into Wednesday and bring locally heavy thunderstorm and heavy rainfall with the local 20 per square meter per hour. The Meteorological Service of Catalonia recorded more than 100 mm of rain in the area. Local rescue responded 759 calls to help, with only 416 calls relating to flooding. Meanwhile, residents for the Valencia region are bracing for even more the wild weather after torrential rain washed local bridges and flooding town centers. Another 17 adults and 6 minors had to receive medical attention after the collapse of 8 lightning strikes and during the Park de Rio sector. In addition, numerous warnings were received about fallen trees and walls, crashes, buses, depression, flooding, closed roads, neighbors with a needy water and commercial premises where things have been lost and some of the images left behind by a rainy day.
¿Has salido un trozo de cornisa?
Hostia, madre mía, madre mía. Mira, mira los contenedores. Mira, mira, mira.